everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Open Secret Diary. And if you're new here, my name is Sapna. So today's video is not going to be any makeup tutorial or skincare video or any other vlog. It's going to be about another form of investment, or how could you possibly earn extra money without much investment or no investment at all. So all you need to do is just give some time to it, and that's it. I think a few moments of 24 hours of your day and you're good to go. So what is it? What is this form of earning, or what is this possible form of earning where you don't have to invest money or a lot of time? It's just you have to invest a fraction of your 24 hours and you can, or you can achieve something, or you can gain something. So like obviously it's kind of very exciting, and I know you would want to know what is that. So basically it is Pi. So what is Pi? Pi is a form of cryptocurrency. So like you obviously have some basic idea about the cryptocurrency. If not, you would definitely know about Bitcoin. So yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are all cryptocurrencies, and they are quite popular, and it has got a lot of value. Okay, so yep, when it was started, I think this cryptocurrency or Bitcoin actually was started in 2009, and back then it has no value, but today I think it is rupees 30 or 40,000 for one coin. So yes, it is very expensive. It has a lot of value. So yeah, cryptocurrency is a good way to invest. But if you are somebody, if you're looking to earn something without investing any money or anything, so you can definitely go for Pi, because it is free. You don't have to invest any money in it. Now what is Pi and how can you move along, or how can you use it? So Pi was developed in 2020, mostly in the month of March, and yeah, presently it has no value as such. It's worth nothing, just as the Bitcoin was when it started. But yeah, it has got a lot of potential, because it started in the month of March 2020, and by the end of December it garnered around 10 million pioneers or miners. So yes, it had 10 million plus active members, and by the end of January it became 12 million plus active pioneers. So yes, it has got a lot of potential. Now, how is it different from other cryptocurrencies, or why is it more convenient? Because you can do the mining on your phone, and a different kind of software used in this for the Pi, which actually helps you to keep your phone battery safe. Earlier, when you used to mine using your cell phone or your computers or laptops, it would drain the battery, and it was bad for the health of your battery. And if you wanted to do proper mining, then you had to purchase a entire different setup for that. But Pi is really very different, and it doesn't deplete your battery. It is very convenient because you don't have to open it and keep it for the whole day. You just log into, or you just open the app once a day, and if to press on the mine, like let me show you. This is the Pi network. Okay, now I will click on it. Now it takes some time to open. See, like this. You have to open it once a day, and then you have to click here, this button, to mine, and then you have to like mine. Okay, when you click there, you can mine easily. So you have to do this just once in a day. Just open it, press it, and you're good to go. So it's not like you have to just open the app and keep it somewhere and it will be working. it is working at the background, but yeah, it is not draining your battery or anything like that. So yeah, I think that is the biggest plus point of Pi for me. It's really very convenient. You just have to open it once a day and click on mine, and simple. That is first. Now about the value, presently it has got no value because, and it has not been introduced to the blockchain yet, but I think the backend marketplace users have already started exchanging the coins for $10, up to $10. It is expected to possess a value of $200 for one Pi. So yes, that is a huge amount. Now it was said when the Pi was launched in the year of 2020 that it will have value in the year 2021, because right now it doesn't have any value because it's just in the second phase of the development. So yeah, it's accepting people. Pioneers are being accepted, they are allowed to mine, but after some times they would stop accepting more entries. So you have to be really quick if you want to become a member of this. Even if you are able to mine 100 coins, or even if to be able to get 100 Pi, that would be a lot, right? So yeah, I think without giving anything, without investing, this is a good thing. Now it's very simple how you could be the member. You have to get invited by your family, friends or relatives, anybody, and then you can log in and use their code, like user code, and you can become the member of their group and you all mine together. So yeah, it doesn't ask about any of your bank accounts or any kind of personal informations like that, like bank or anything. It just needs your phone number, name. Some people even register without adding their phone number. Obviously, if you are worried about that, you can do that. So at that point you become an unverified user, but you're still allowed to mine and do other activities. But I would suggest use your number so that you get verified and the security of your team is get strengthened. So if you want, you can join my team as well. So I give the information regarding my account, Pi account, in the description box, which would generally be the invitation along with my user ID. Use it and become a member of my group and we can mine together. So if you believe that yes, it has potential, just open the description box, see the invitation code and accept it and use my user code and be the members of my team. But if you don't believe in it, just skip the video and don't think about it a lot. If you believe that yeah, it has got potential, then you have to be a member as soon as possible, because mostly they have 12 million members right now. So what happens, after some times they would stop accepting new members. Obviously present miners would be allowed to mine, keep mining, but new members wouldn't be accepted. So you know, that wouldn't be a very good thing. If you join now, you can keep mining and you can keep earning coins after some times. But if you want to wait and see that if this thing works or not and then you will join, you're not going to get that option, right? It's like today or never. So just, if you take a leap of faith and join, I would do that. Obviously I'm doing it because I took the leap of faith and I don't regret it, because yeah, I'm still faithful and I'm hopeful that it is going to work. Obviously, because I have seen from I think a few lakh members to 10 million, then 12 million plus members. So yeah, that is a positive thing for me, and I would obviously like to see the positive things. And so yes, be the miner and join my team, and yes, we could mine a lot of pies together. And even I think in the end of January there was an auction of t-shirts at Amazon. So they were selling the t-shirts in exchange of pies. I think that was 13 Pi for one t-shirt. So people have already started using it in this or that way, but yeah, you have to wait for it to have a particular value for some time, because and it is going to happen in 2021 only. So yes, join the Pi as soon as possible. Don't wait for it to have the value and then you will join, because once it gets some more members, it's going to stop accepting any new members. So yeah, this is kind of a limited time offer. So yes, join it today or never. You get to become a member, never. You cannot mine, you cannot earn something without investment, because it is with zero investment. I have given 0 ringgits or rupees for this. I've invested nothing. I just invest some fraction of my time once a day. Once you have downloaded the app, use my user code and logged into your account, then you have to do certain things to increase your mining rate of per hour. You have to click on this 3 dots, 3 lines here, click, then you have to press this third option, earn Pi, and then you have to activate all these things, like see here. Now I have already these 4 members in my group, in my security circle. I'm going to add an existing Pi user. I've got one more new person, so he is here, so I have added him. So now I have these members in my Pi. It was really a very interesting video to make for me, and I'm certain that you're going to enjoy it, because this is an awesome app. You don't have any ads or anything like that. It's really good. So just take a leap of faith and click on the link below and join my team, and let's mine together. So if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with all your family members and friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel, because that is very motivating and it means a lot to me. I'll be back again with another interesting video the next time, and until then, bye bye, take care, and please download the app and join my team. Thank you. Bye bye.